listening to NOAA. All station.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Love County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Murray County in southern Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, eastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma until 9:15 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain near Velvet Lion. 1 to 2.5 inches of rain are possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ardmore, Salford,